So as you can see in the top right hand corner, it says it's at 3840 at 2160 by 60 hertz. So right off the bat, the picture looks amazing, and because it's a matte screen, it helps keep that glare down if you're in a brighter environment. So let's try out some PUBG. So everything's looking pretty smooth so far. Again, we're at the 60 hertz refresh rate. Everything seems to be moving pretty smooth, and I do not feel like there's any lag. Moving around the cursor, everything is very responsive and smooth, so you should have a pretty good gaming experience. So PUBG is definitely looking really good. I'm seeing absolutely no lag whatsoever. It's nice and smooth. So you should have a pretty good gaming experience playing first-person shooters. Now the speakers on the smartboard do get really loud, so I kind of only have them up about 25%. So you can kind of get a little taste of how loud they get, but still hear me. Oh! That's what happens when you don't pay attention to the road. So even with the screen moving as fast as it is, I didn't see any ghosting. I don't see any issues with performance. Everything seems pretty smooth. So no matter if you're playing racing games or first-person shooters on the smartboard, you should have a pretty good gaming experience on console. And then if we go under the settings for the Xbox, you can see that it is displaying a 4K resolution.